Hi Sibylla, how's going your time?
Going good, what about you?
It's fine. What about your study?
It's not going good, I am having some problems with math.
Sorry to know. But why don't you take help from the math teacher?
I am going to ask him for some help, but I am too much worried about this. You know, the exam is knocking at the door and I am not prepared at all for this subject.
You still have lots of time to clear your doubts. I think you can do that. You are a very good student.
Thanks, dear. I am hoping so.
What's about English?
I am pretty much preparing for English and I think I will do well in this subject.
That's very good.
What about you? How's your study going?
Yeah, it's going good. I am giving some extra time for science. You know, I am pretty weak in this subject.
Oh, I hope you will do great in this subject too. How many hours do you study in a day?
After my classes and tuitions, I spend almost 3 hours a day in my reading room. You know, I have to spend most of my time in tuition.
Oh, I see. I spend around 4 hours in study and I don't go for any tuition. Do you think I need to read more?
I think that's enough if you are paying proper attention to your lesson.
Yeah, I think so. Do you have any suggestions or tips for getting a better focus on the study?
I love to study in the early morning. If you can rise early, then you can do that too. I think that's the best time for focusing on something.
That's a very good suggestion. I will try that. Thank you so much for tips.
You are welcome. See you.